Today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro in Space Black. It has 512 gigabytes of storage. My previous iPhone is an iPhone XS in the gold color and it had 256 gigabytes. So I thought it would be worth it to pay an extra $200 to get 512 gigabytes of storage. I have had my current iPhone for a little more than 4 years now. Thought maybe it'll be worth it to get a better battery and a better camera as well, and also more storage and just faster in general. This is the front of the box and this is the bottom, side, back. Take these off. And here goes nothing. Oh, that is beautiful. Looks like the top of the lid has a little cutout for the camera bump because it is so prominent. This is beautiful. Wow. A little bit of dust on it, but... And front. On the right side, there's no SIM card tray because I am in the US and the US models don't come with a SIM card tray. We only have eSIM, which I've never tried before, so that's gonna be a process. But bottom, the camera bump, as I expected, is prominent. 3 cameras, and then inside the box, there's also a USB-C to lightning cable, and then of course there's instruction manual. You no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. And of course, 1 Apple sticker. I believe they used to come with 2 Apple stickers and now there's only 1, but I don't really use them anyway, so it's not a big deal. They used to say a lot more than this. Like, there used to be pictures and colors on these, but I guess it's now black and white. But who actually reads them anyway? I'm kind of afraid to try out eSIM. I've never really tried it before, so it's like, I don't really know what it's gonna be like. And it's kind of weird to me not having to have a physical SIM card anymore. Look at that camera, it's beautiful. You can see Dynamic Island. This is so pretty. I've never had a black iPhone before. I got these on Amazon. They are a 2-pack. They also come with the camera bump protector. It's all for $6, so in total you get 4 items. And if you're interested, I will leave the link below. And this, of course, a camera bump lens protector, white cleaning wipes. Check this out. Logo. I was gonna get the gold, but I decided the black might actually look better if I put colored cases on top. Ni hao. So I'm just gonna peel this off the glass. But it's a privacy screen protector, so when you tilt it to the side, you can't see it. Whoever tries to look at your screen is not gonna be able to see anything if they're on the side. I'm also gonna put on the camera protector because I'm already touching the lenses. Like, the lenses are actually so huge that my fingerprints are already getting on it, and it's been like 20 minutes. That's the camera protector. Protects it against any fingerprints and dust and scratches and things like that. This is a lot more fingerprint prone than my iPhone XS because of the side here. This is the clear case, and the case still fits even though there's a camera protector there. So another cool thing about this case is that it does not wobble because there's something right here. So you see the camera bump here, it's pretty prominent, but also at the edge of the case here, there's this little lip here so that it doesn't actually move around. When you set it flat on the table like this, it won't really like move. And also the bumpers here are pretty pronounced, so if you do drop your phone, it's a lot more safe. It's more cushiony. It says that it doesn't yellow over time, which is a huge pro. I'll link all the accessories I have in the description box below. It's English, United States. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. Okay, I'm gonna do that right now. So I just finished a transfer information from my old iPhone to this iPhone. Make this a new iPhone. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. This is the always on display. It's just a dimmer version of the normal brightness. If you tap it, you'll go to the normal brightness. Here, I just customized it with the wallpaper I like, obviously New York. I customized the font here. So if you want to change the wallpaper, you just press and hold like that. Here, you can change the font. So like this. Or you can also change the color of the text as well. You can also change these here, which are the widgets. I only have the weather as well as my battery percentage. You can also add all these other ones like the timer and when the sun will set, the filter, so you can make it black and white, or this duotone color or color wash. You can also change the top here. There's like different widgets you can have. Okay, so if I play a song like this, it actually goes straight into the dynamic island, or I can actually do like a diagonal like that, go into the dynamic island sideways. Listening to a song, I can press and hold the dynamic island and I can see the song that's playing and skip or whatever. If I'm in Safari and I want to tap music, I can actually like tap that icon and go back into Spotify. If I'm getting a call, I'm pretty sure it will actually like show up in dynamic island. So if I want to turn on or off the silent switch here, now it's on ring, and then if I do that, it'll go back on silent. I actually set up my eSIM for the first time ever. You can add an eSIM. So in the US, only option for you is to have eSIM. So if you want to find an eSIM carrier, I think US Mobile is a good option. I was able to add an eSIM plan, and I was also able to transfer my old number onto US Mobile. So I transferred that number from a physical SIM card to an eSIM card. The settings, you go to General, and then you go to About, and then you go to eSIM, and then there will be an EMEI number, which is down here. You provide US Mobile this number here, and then it will connect your phone to their service. So this is US Mobile's website. As you can see, there are multiple options. There's pooled data, there's also unlimited, and then there's also individual plans, and you can actually bring your own number as well. This works for physical SIM cards as well as eSIMs, and I chose US Mobile because they're pretty affordable. There's plans that are 500 megabytes for $5 a month, up to 25 gigabytes of data for only $25 a month. And if you're interested, be sure to click the link in my description box for half off of your first month.